Everybody, so I just got 10 surprise Shopkins. Sorry, had to deal with something, meaning go to the bathroom. So I got 10 surprise Shopkins, and they came with 3 little bags. Oh, they're so cute. I'm still sick a little. Oh, it's actually my asthma. It's got a little Shopkins logo. Super cute, a big S on the side. This is just really sparkly. Okay, and we got our little check-off list, and Cookie is not in this list. I was really hoping this is from an old season, but they're still fun to open. Ooh, I hope I get a wedding cake. Whitney wedding cake. So I got scissors to open up these blind bags because these blind bags are really hard to open. I've done with them before. Okay, over there. Let's do this one first. I feel it's a shoe. It's a shoe. Oh, I already have her. She came in a surprise bag from the store. Super cute. Let's find her. Hats, no. Shoes. Here we go. She is... She's an Ugg boot. She does not look like an Ugg boot. Okay. I feel something. I do not know what it is. Oh my god, it's in the refrigerator. Sorry, I'm coughing. The little fish, she is so cute. Look at the back of her. Oh, it's like part of a real refrigerator. She's got a little snowflake up here in the water. You see, I'm gonna try to find her. She looks super cute. She would be in this category. Let's see. Frosty Fridge. She is so cute. Okay, so we got these blind bags out of our way. Let's put our garbage inside this bag. My mom's checking on me. Okay. Oh, it's another shoe. It's a rain boot. That is super cute. Look, she's got a little umbrella, a little bow. Super cute. Let's find you. Shoes, let's see. Jeffrey Rain? Jennifer Rain? I'm not very good at reading. Oh my god, it's a little hat? I am not sure what this is, but it's very big. I think she's in the hat. Yeah, she's in the hat. She's a hat. Oh, she's a winter hat. She's cute. And 4 Shopkins so far. That means we still have 6 more to go. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little kiwi. It's adorable. Let's find you. See what category you're in. Fruit and vegetables, you should be in here. Peewee kiwi. Peewee kiwi. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, she's adorable. Okay, so we have 5 more. Let's do this. Oh my god, she's a little beret. She is from Paris. Let's find her in the hat department. She is adorable. She is super cute. Get her back. Sorry if I'm coughing too much in this video. It's either my allergies or my asthma. Okay. Oh my god, it's an Oreo. It's an Oreo. This is so cute. It's so adorable. Oh my god. It actually looks like it's yellow in between the Oreo cookies. So I'm gonna say it's a banana Oreo. Or 3 more. Oh my god. This one is a high heel. I know it. I feel it. Oh my god, I already have this one. Well,